Assalamu alaikum. Hi, my dear students. Welcome back to your favorite English class. Today we are going to see a new chapter from grammar. Okay, what is the chapter name? Do you know? Adverbs. Okay, adverbs. Already we have started some chapters from grammar, isn't it? Do you remember that? Prefixes and suffixes. So in grammar, particularly in grammar, if you have any doubt, you can call me. I'm ready to answer for your queries. But students, you are nobody is calling me. So if you have doubt, you should ask me. Okay. So today the topic what I told you, adverbs. Okay. Adverbs in your textbook they didn't give you what is the definition of adverbs. They given the examples only, but I want to tell you what is a verb and then adverb, then only you know about this chapter. Okay, what is a verb? Verb is a doing action word. Okay, so what I am doing, I am teaching. Okay, I am doing some action. Okay, so that word we call it as a verb. Understand? For example, jumping, running, singing. Okay, seeing. So what are the person action, thing action, we called it as a verb. Okay, so verb already you all know about verb, but now we are going to learn about adverb. What do you mean by adverb? Okay, in English grammar there are so many topic is there. Noun, what is that? Adjective, adverbs, objects, preposition, interjection, conjunction. There are so many things are there. So adverbs means it describes, it modifies the verb. Okay, it modifies the verb. For example, she ran dash. Okay, ran is the verb. Okay, wait, I'll write example, you can understand. She ran dash. Okay, so she is the noun, you know, subject. Ran is the verb. Okay, and then here, how she ran. How she ran? Fastly, slowly. So we are modifying, adding something to the verb. Okay, she ran fastly. So that fastly we called it as adverb. For example, she ran slowly. Slowly is the adverb. So it modifies the verb. That word we called it as the adverbs comes after the verb. Usually it comes after the verb. It modifies the verb. So that word we call it as a adverb. So here we are going to see what adverbs only. So there are so many adverbs is there, not one adverb. Now I'll read out the textbook, then you will understand. Okay. So in each sentence, the word in bold tells us more about the action happening in the sentence. The word soon tell us about the time when the boys would come. It is an adverb of time. The word tranquilly tell us how the work was done. It is an adverb of manner. So they have given two examples. Okay, what is the example? Soon the free boys would come tripping along. Okay, this is the sentence. So here they given that soon in what is that bold letters. Okay, soon. So it tells about the time. Okay, soon, come soon, we are telling no, that it tells about the time. So that we called it as adverb of time. Okay, it tells about the time. So we call it as a adverb of time. So adverbs, they are different types of adverbs is there. So we will see one by one. Okay, so here for example, two examples they given. Soon tells the time. Okay, we call it as a adverb of time. And then next one, tranquilly, second sentence. He took up his brush and went tranquilly to work. Okay, tranquilly means peacefully. Okay, so he took up his brush and went tranquilly to work. The word tranquilly tells how the work was done, how he worked, he peacefully worked. So it gives more information in the verb. So that tranquilly, we called it as a adverb of manner. Okay, how how it would be, that is adverb of manner. So if you see that examples, you can understand. So before that, we have to know what, how many types of adverbs is there. Do you know, do you remember all the different types of adverbs? Let us look some examples. So they have given, there are adverbs, adverbs of manner, and then adverbs of time, adverbs of place, and then adverbs of frequency, and then adverbs of degree. Okay, so what I told you, adverb means it describes the, it modifies the verb. So there are so many words, it will have different mannerism, time, and everything. So adverbs of manner is there, adverbs of time is there, adverbs of place is there, adverbs of frequency is there, adverbs of degree is there. So if you see the examples, you can understand. Adverbs of manner, they given slowly. Okay, she walks slowly. Example, okay, slowly. And then what example they have given? Beautifully. She looks beautifully. Okay. Understand? And then unwillingly. So it tells about the mannerism. Okay. Unwillingly. And then calmly. Calmly. Okay. Um, uh, he sat calmly. Okay. So like that, it describe the mannerism, how they are behaving. Okay, the behavior, that word we call it as adverbs of manner. Okay, so she draws beautifully. Okay, how she draws, the mannerism we are telling, no, that we call it as adverbs of manner. Okay, slowly, beautifully, unwillingly, calmly. These are the examples of adverbs of manner. So adverbs of time is very easy. So wherever the time is mentioning, we call it as adverbs of time. For example, yesterday, yesterday, and then later, and then all day, week. So these are all, it denotes the time. Okay, adverbs of time: yesterday, later, all day, week. Okay, so wherever the time, day is mentioned, a particular time, which day they are mentioned, we call it as adverbs of time. And then adverbs of place. Place, you know, above the table. Okay, she sat above the table. So above is denoting the place. So we called it as adverbs of place. Above, sorry. above, and then outside. So the place they are telling, okay? There. So these words, it denotes the adverbs of place, and then adverbs of frequency. Frequency means how many times, okay? How many times, how long. So it's adverbs of frequency. So if it's a example they have given always, and then annually, weekly. Okay, so it tells about the frequency, how many days, how many times, like that. Okay, always, annually, and weekly. And then adverbs of degree is there. Adverbs of degree is what is that? Amount. Okay, adverbs of degree is amount. Okay, scarcely means a little. Okay, so it tells about the amount of degrees. What is that? Sorry, adverbs of degrees. It tells about the amount, how much. Scarcely means very less. Okay, scarcely, and then completely, nearly. Okay, so here some what is it? Adverbs of frequency and adverbs of time, little bit similar only. Okay, so don't confuse. So when we see the examples, you can understand that. Okay, so what is the adverbs? I told you it modifies the verbs. So here there are so many adverbs is there: adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree. Okay, so there are so many types of adverbs is there. So when you see the examples, you can understand very easily. Okay, so I'll send you the book pages. You all should watch the see the book pages, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. See the video 2 or 3 times. Okay, um, did you understand? So first you should know about what is a verb, what is a adverb, and then only you can understand these types of adverbs. Understand? So next class I'll again explain you with more examples of adverbs. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me through phone. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.